In this next part, I would like to teach you how to update values in a list using indexing. So I want you to create a new file and call it update values.py. So update underscore values.py. Now, once you do this, I am just going to create a new list and I'll call it names is equals to Solomon and then Jane. Now, let's say, for example, I wanted to update Solomon to a different name. Since we know that Solomon has an index of 0 and then Jane has an index of 1, what we can do is we can update these values inside this list, or we can update these elements using their indexes. Now, remember that when we wanted to access elements, all we simply do is, say I wanted to print out an element, all we simply do is say print out the name of the index. And in here, let me just pass 0. And then once I do this, you see that it gives us Solomon. Now, what we can do is we can actually update the value at that 0th index. So what we are going to tell Python is that go into this list, and as the 0th index, we want you to put a new value. So what I will do is, instead of printing out just Solomon, I'm going to print out the entire list. Now, before printing out the entire list, what I will do is I will update the value of Solomon to something else. So I'm going to say name of 0 is equals to James. Now, what do we have here? I have told Python that, okay, the 0th index of this name list, I want you to replace it with James. That is, whatever value is at this current index of 0, I want you to go in there and replace it with this value of James. And once I run it, you can see that even though when we created the list, it was defined, Solomon was defined to be in the 0th index. Now we came down here and we changed the value that is stored in the 0th index to James, which is why we see James getting printed out finally in terminal. So this is basically how you can update values in a list. So you could also do the same for the second item. So I can say name of 1 is equals to Tessa or something like that. And once I run it, instead of seeing Solomon and Jane, we see James and Tessa. That is because we had replaced the values. That is because we had replaced the values of the two items using their indexes. So again, we just say go into this index and assign it a value of this. Go into the index of 1 and assign it a value of this.